watching, everybody. I know this was a little bit different format than what I usually do, but honestly, it was a lot less work in the editing side of things to do it this way. Now, most of what I did I figured was pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions on anything, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll try to get back to you on it. I know you're going to ask about this ahead of time, so the fence I use is actually a product called Track Tubes, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description. And my flip stop here is not my design. It came from Paul Jenkins, the Wood Knight, and I'll leave a link to his channel too in this video as well. And one last thing, I'm going to give you a little bit of a sales pitch. I just noticed that my Patreon account is just shy of reaching my first goal, and I'd really like to bump up over that threshold. So if you like the channel, you like what I do, and you want to help support me and continue to do it, head on over to my Patreon account. There's a link down in the description, and sign up for one of the tiers and help me reach that next goal. So I think that's about it. We'll see you guys next time.